Our vision for Transavia is to build on the legacy of being that friendly airline. But just being friendly these days is not enough. The experience goes beyond the contact you have on board. The experience is also in the digital world where we start interacting with our customers very early in the process when they start thinking about traveling. And when they start thinking about traveling, we need to be there in a relevant way. We need to recognize them as an individual.
We chose Pega because we thought Pega could definitely help us on CRM, which is an important part, knowing your customer and recognizing your customer, but we wanted more. Because we wanted to connect the operations side to the commercial to our customer side.
When we created the concept of the Transavia interaction platform, we couldn't find it anywhere. It was not something you can buy off the shelf.
Transavia Interaction Platform is really a game changer because it's the first platform that connects flight data, customer data and employee data all in one platform. And this enables us to be proactive, relevant, real-time, and we can be much more efficient in all our processes around the journey of the customer and of the flight.
The vision of the interaction platform is that it does away with the whole concept of back office. We will turn all of our employees into front office employees working for one sole idea, which is improving the customer journey and creating those memorable experiences in whatever function they have.
So with this platform, our customer services doesn't stop before they enter the aircraft. It will continue during the flight, and our cabin crew is really able to serve the customer based on all the relevant data they need. They can solve all the issues on the spot. They don't have to ask our customer care to solve it after their journey.
The main reason we actually went for Pega was the fact it's an agile platform, it's based on the most modern technology, it's able to connect with all our partly legacy systems, and it helps us to provide the data analytics and the concept of the next best action all together. And that's something we've never seen in any other provider and partner.
We want to create memorable experiences for our customers. In order to do that, we need to have an effortless, seamless journey on the one hand, and on the other hand, it needs to be really human and friendly.
So that whoever you are, at any place you are in your journey, we know where you are, we know what you're experiencing, and we know what we can offer you at the right time, at the right moment.
Everybody in Transavia, each employee is able to add and to contribute to the customer journey. And if you're able to do that, helped by the digital tools available to us and to our people, then they will come back and come back and come back. And that's the general idea behind the memorable experience. Thank you. So let me show you a bit of our approach in aviation. I showed you a lot of complexity. And we will try to solve that by organizing ourselves around 3 journeys, all with an equal focus, all equally important. Obviously, there is the customer or the passenger journey. But again, equally important, that's the employee journey. And we recognize the employee journey from the onboarding into our organization until they leave the organization, but we also recognize the journey of starting a shift and ending a shift. And where the passenger and the employee come together, it's the flight journey, because that, in an airline, it's all about. So our sole purpose is to help our people, to help our customers better, to get more insights in our customers so we can be more relevant, and to have everybody actively participate in the passenger journey, making them all front office. And by creating an organization I just mentioned, slowly but surely we will break down the silos which have been characterizing the airline industry for so long. And all this, again, enabled by a single platform, Transavia Interaction Platform. And the goals of this interaction platform, which we are building together with Pega, is to break down those silos and to connect the three journeys, to create a single source of truth. So that when you touch something in one journey, immediately we understand the impact on the other journeys, and we can actually take a next best action. And all of our relevant interactions will be captured in the Transavia interaction platform. And the more data we gather, the better we are able to look back and understand how to improve. But moving forward, we're also able to start predicting the future by creating a 360-degree view of a flight, an employee, and a passenger. And this would have never been able without the support of Peka and its unique capabilities, but also not able without the support of Accenture as our implementation partner, because they have aligned with our vision in a very early stage and have been very supporting in getting things started.